Good day, ma'am and sir. I am Jacqueline S. Unday, 30 years old, single. My father is a farmer and my mother is a housewife. I have 6 brothers and 2 sisters. I work as domestic helper in Hong Kong for 2 years since 2017 up to 2019. I have served 3 members of the family, 2 elderly and 1 adult. My main duties are cleaning the house, marketing, washing dishes, washing clothes, washing car, and I also work as local helper here in the Philippines since 2020 up to 2024. My main duties are cleaning the house, taking care of the children, care of the baby, feed them on time, give them vitamins, and change their diaper if they needed. Thank you so much. God bless.